silly.
Ezra. Come here, kid.
Ezra.
Come here. What happened to your bowl? Where's your bowl, Ezra? Where's your bowl? Where's your bowl? Go get your bowl.
He's kooky, isn't he?
Where's your bowl? Come here.
Ezra.
Hey, what you having for your snack, Sarah? Can you turn on the light? Ezra, come to Daddy.
What, you want more to eat? We've got food over here, bud. We have grapes. Come here. Come here. There, come here, babe.
Get your bowl. Get your bowl. Ez. Go get your bowl. Get your bowl.
Yes,
Here you go, Ez.
snacks left.
Ez. Whoa, the spill. Fun time and snack time in the Thomas household.
Here, do you want your bowl, silly? Your purple bowl? Sarah?
Okay, a little glimpse at snack time in the Thomas household. Good night.